In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Add to Home Screen on Google Chrome Mobile. If you've ever wished a website could live on your phone like a regular app, this is exactly what you're looking for. On Android, Google Chrome lets you create a shortcut on your home screen so you can open a site with a single tap. It's quick, convenient, and great for sites you visit every day, like your favorite news page, a streaming platform, or a productivity tool. Start by opening Google Chrome on your Android device. Then navigate to the website you want to save. You can type the address into the search bar at the top. Give the page a moment to fully load, because the option we're about to use can depend on the site recognizing that it's ready. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome to open the menu. Here's the key part. Depending on the website, you'll see one of a few slightly different labels. Look for Add to Home Screen, Install App, or simply Install. These all serve the same purpose. They add the site to your home screen so it behaves like a shortcut or, in some cases, like a lightweight app. Go ahead and tap the option you see. Chrome will ask you to confirm by tapping Add or Install. This confirmation keeps you in control, and on some sites, you may also see a small dialog where you can edit the name that appears under the icon. If you're fine with the default name, just confirm and proceed. Once you confirm, Chrome will place a new icon on your phone's home screen. It looks and feels like an app icon, and when you tap it, it opens the website directly, skipping extra steps. For certain websites that support advanced features, it may even open in a cleaner, app-like window without the usual browser controls, which makes it feel more immersive. A quick tip if you don't see any of those options in the menu. Some sites simply don't support the install label, and the Add to Home Screen option might only appear when the page is fully loaded. Try waiting a moment or making sure you're on the main page of the site rather than a pop-up or an internal dialog. If it still doesn't appear, that site may not be optimized for installation, but most will still offer Add to Home Screen. That's it. You've turned a website into a one-tap shortcut on your Android home screen, making your daily browsing faster and more organized. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the convenience.